In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to completely build and deploy an elite, ultra-futuristic redesign of the SpaceX website using a 100% no-code, AI-driven workflow. While traditional web developers spend weeks hand-coding complex canvas elements and parallax systems, we are bypassing the entire manual coding grind using next-gen AI coding agents to build a completely responsive front-end interface in minutes. Step 1 is establishing our design system. Open your web browser, head over to Google Images, or jump onto Pinterest and search for Space Website Design. We are looking for high-end UI layout anchors that use glass morphism, which relies on translucent layering and ambient background blurs to create a floating sci-fi aesthetic. Look at this specific dashboard layout right here. It features clean geometric lines, high-contrast typography, and gorgeous glowing borders. Download this image asset directly to your desktop. We will use this file as a visual blueprint for our AI agent. Now, let's open up our agentic environment inside Antigravity IDE. Create an empty folder named SpaceX on your desktop, and drag it straight into the Agent Manager chat interface to initialize our empty directory. Next, we provide our AI agent with full project context by pasting the official SpaceX website link and dropping our downloaded Pinterest inspiration image side by side. Before we select the Gemini 3.5 Flash model and hit run, let's break down our engineering prompts word by word, so you know exactly why we structure them this way to get production-grade output. Our first prompt line reads, "This is the existing SpaceX website. Please examine the complete website designs, typography, style, content, etc." so that we are going to redesign the current website. By structuring it this way, we instruct the AI to analyze the authentic brand identity, navigation routes, and identity of the actual live company. Our second prompt is our critical constraint. Follow the given reference image for the new design, don't copy the content. This forces the AI's vision capabilities to duplicate the layout hierarchy and dark color palette of our Pinterest design, while explicitly preventing it from copying any irrelevant placeholder text. Next, we specify, use publicly available SpaceX stunning images and videos on the new website. Finally, we close with, the new website should be responsive, modern, with smooth effects and animations. Let's hit enter. As an essential instruction rule when building with AI agents, always read the generated implementation plan before approving modifications. Look at what our agent has mapped out for us. It has built a full design system featuring a deep cosmos black base, sharp electric blue accents, space growth typography for headings, and an interactive starfield background. It specifies the creation of 3 optimized files, index.html for layout, index.css for styling, and index.js for client-side functionality. This plan looks structurally flawless, so let's hit approve and proceed. Simply watch the IDE compile our front-end assets in real-time phases. The agent automatically builds out the clean semantic HTML5 markup, sets up our custom property style sheet variables, and instantly writes the vanilla JavaScript needed for our interactive canvas. No manual typing, no syntax debugging. Now let's launch our website locally to check our initial build. Open up your integrated terminal right here, execute the Python command to run 8080 port to spin up a quick local server, and open up localhost port 8080 in your web browser. Let's scan our layout. The interactive starfield looks spectacular. But notice a couple of bugs. Our header navbar is using a plain generic text placeholder instead of the iconic graphic SpaceX logo. And the hero video container is feeling a bit cramped. Let's run a refinement patch to fix this. We jump right back to our Agent Manager window and give a direct, clear optimization prompt. Please fix the logo, use the real SpaceX logo. Press enter. The agent instantly targets the specific image attributes in index.html, swaps out the font placeholders with verified public vector brand paths, realigns the layout padding, and deploys the update immediately. Quick tutorial pro tip here: whenever you're building out futuristic space portfolios or front-end apps. You can access pristine, open-source high-resolution launch footage and graphic loops right from official public SpaceX media galleries. Keep this bookmarked for your future projects. Let's refresh our browser and inspect the final product. This looks absolutely stellar. Our mouse tracking trailing cursor feels incredibly premium, scaling up seamlessly over interactive elements. The starfield backdrop glides naturally with our mouse movements. The typography looks stunningly cinematic, and look at our Starlink dashboard. The telemetry counters are actively ticking and fluctuating in real time to simulate live data. Even our rocket specs panels transition with crisp crossfade styling. Now, listen carefully. If you want to deploy this exact high-end layout on your own machine, you must follow this video step by step from start to finish without skipping a single second. If you skim past a single prompt configuration or leave out a file parameter in the agent workflow, your underlying script connections and asset links will break. If this step-by-step walkthrough showed you how easy no-code AI web engineering can be, drop a comment with your thoughts below, smash that like button, share this video with your fellow developers, and hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on. Grab your workspace, rewatch the steps if you missed anything, and happy building!